Hey guys, this is my review of the Cobra Tools Skinny Snake. And you can use this to clear clogs and sinks in your drains, your shower. Um, and it really works as advertised. I have a bigger snake for the toilet, and the plunger just wasn't doing it for the sink anymore. And I finally broke down and I picked this up at Walmart just by chance, passing through the plumbing section. I paid about 14 bucks for it, and I noticed that the price came down. And but that's okay. You can get it about 8 bucks now, I believe, on clearance, or 9 bucks. I'll leave the description link for Amazon. You can get this pretty quick. And let me show you how it works. So you've got a bolt right here that you need to loosen. So you loosen this bolt. You don't have to take it out, but this bolt, loosening it, allows your snake to come out. And now you just feed that into your drain, okay, until it stops. So your clog is going to stop this from allowing you to feed the snake in. Now at that point, you tighten the bolt. Tighten it all the way, so that way the snake doesn't back into the housing. Then you're going to turn the entire system, the entire housing. Okay, now there's some rivets here. I haven't taken all the packaging off, but there's some rivets here to help you. You just turn it counterclock or clockwise, and you can imagine this thing whirling around inside your drain, removing clogs. Now, after you have punched through the clog, it's going to give, and so that's your signal to go ahead and start pulling everything back out. And then at the end, or all throughout these wires, you're going to see clogs. If you look close here, you'll see there's some hair there. That was part of the problem in my sink, other than the kids putting paper towels in there, but most of it was hair. Now, after you've taken this out and cleaned it, I recommend continuing the process over and over again until you no longer get any resistance. This one's 10 feet long, so you can clear it all the way up to 10 feet, and you might as well go ahead and do that. When you're ready to reset and start over, you just untighten that bolt, stick everything back in, and then just start all or when you're ready. Actually, rather when you're ready to store it, but you can just stick it all the way back in the drain and continue feeding it until you get further and further and further down. Let me show you here how this works. It just kind of coils up inside, and that stores the coil. That's what I liked about this one. All the other ones were just kind of taking up a lot of space. This one I liked because it coils up, and it's small, so it takes on really any of those jobs, the sink or the tub. It should clear those without any problem. Obviously, if you had a bigger problem down the drain line, you might have to call a plumber, or get a longer skinny snake. But 10 feet that's a lot. So I would think anybody would find this one useful for the everyday clogs that you're going to get with hair and things like that. So that's it. Hope you found this useful, and if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, and good luck with your drain problems. Talk to you later.